We've transformed from wired charging to wireless charging to air charging. How does this tech work? Let's see. The air charger actually uses a very basic or common technique. Normally, any distancing or wireless charging techniques have three ways of transmitting charge or signals, that is radio forms, microwaves, or infrared lights. So this specific charging method, the air charger, actually uses the infrared, the most commonly used signals in most appliances. How this works is the charger itself can be placed on top of a room or in a common area that actually transmits signals to the receivers that are in these devices that require the charge. Now, as fancy as this sounds, it is actually very slow at charging. It can take a really long time. But here's how this can become really useful. Most households actually have at least 5 to 10 devices that is within a specific place. So if you're going to place the charger in a common room, then definitely idle devices charging in a place over a prolonged period is not going to be a problem. Unless you're a power user and you're expecting this to become your daily charger, then obviously no, this is not a choice. If you're wondering how safe this tech is, it actually transmits very low watt power. Actually, it's even less than a light bulb, which actually isn't harmful at all. Nevertheless, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.